Hello viewers, I have HMT Shiv which is added recently into my collection, and I'll be describing HMT Shiv for you. Okay, it's today I got this HMT Shiv, and you can see the new box packing of HMT, and it's just a cardboard paper box, and it's brownish, and it reads HMT as well. Okay, in yesteryears we used to get these HMT watches in plastic, pouches, or some very good packed, very good in good packaging. But I think they have taken new strategy, HMT people. And yeah, let's open HMT Shiv now. So this is HMT Shiv, and let's take it out. Okay, this is a HMT Shiv White, which is placed in a steel case, and yeah, the movement as you see is 020 movement, and at 3 o'clock, 9 o'clock and 12 o'clock you can see Shivling, then mountains, and Om written at 12. The watch itself reads Amarnath Yatra. That is the speciality of this watch. And it's a screw back case as well. Well, this is the story of Shiv, and yeah, this is Shiv Gold, which has the same movement, yeah, and which has the same symbols as the silver one has. Okay, I got this from CSD. This is the original packing of this watch. Yeah, and it costs you about 2,628 rupees as of now, including GST, and it's a mechanical watch. Hope you like the video. Thank you.